Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Sujata Tarle, lecturer in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about the binomial distribution. The learning outcome is, after watching these videos, the learners will be able to solve the problems based on repeated trial by using binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is used when there are exactly two mutually exclusive outcomes of the trial. These outcomes are named as success and failure. Consider the example. If we toss a coin, then there are exactly two possible outcomes. Either we will get the head or the tail. Second example, if the students are appear for the examination, then there are only two possible outcomes. Either the students will get fail or he will get pass. That means if the trial has only two possible outcomes, at that time we have to use the binomial distribution. The binomial distribution is used to obtain the probability of observing R successes in n trials with the probability of each success P is probability of x is equal to R is equal to NCR into P raised to R into Q raised to n minus R. Here is the formula to find out the probability for the binomial distribution, where this n denotes the number of trials, R denotes the number of successes in n trial, P is the probability of success in a single trial, Q is the probability of failure, and it is found out by using this formula, that is Q is equal to 1 minus P. NCR, it is called as the binomial coefficient, and it is found out by using this formula, that is n factorial upon R factorial into n minus R factorial. Here this factorial notation means, here we see that the n factorial is the product of first n natural numbers. That means n factorial is equal to the product of first n natural number 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to the n. By using this formula, we can find out the value of this NCR, or directly by using the calculator, we can find the value of binomial coefficient, that is NCR. Let's consider the first example. Assuming that 2 in 10 industrial accidents are due to fatigue, then find the probability that exactly 2 out of 8 accidents will due to fatigue. The solution is, here the probability of industrial accidents due to fatigue is 2 upon 10. 2 in 10, that means 2 upon 10, which is equal to 0.2. It is the value of P. Then Q is equal to 1 minus P. Just substitute the value of P, that is equal to 1 minus 0.2, which is equal to 0.8. The value of N is equal to 8. Here we have to find the probability that exactly 2 out of 8 accidents, that means N is equal to 8 and R is equal to 2. Then using the binomial distribution, the formula is probability of x is equal to R is equal to NCR into P raised to R into Q raised to n minus R. Just substitute the value of this N, R, P and Q. Then we get here the probability of, put the value of R is equal to 2 is equal to 8C2 into 0.2 raised to 2 into 0.8 raised to 8 minus 2. Just simplifying this value, Then we get the value of HC2 that is equal to 28, 0.2 square that is 0.04, and 0.8 raised to 8 minus 2 which is equal to 0.2621. And the last answer is just taking the multiplication of these three terms, then we get 0.2935. That is the probability that the exactly 2 out of 8 accidents will due to 40 is 0.2935. That is the last answer. Second example, if 20% of the bolts produced by the machine are defective, then determine the probability that out of 4 bolts drawn, at the most 2 are defective. Here, the probability of defective bolt is given in percentage, that is 20%. 20% means 20 upon 100, which is equal to 0.2. The probability of defective bolt is 0.2. Then Q. Q is equal to 1 minus P. Put the value of P, that is 0.2. Then we get the value of Q, that is Q is equal to 1 minus 0.2, which is equal to 0.8. N is equal to 4. R is equal to at most 2. We have to find the probability that at most 2 are defective. That means R is equal to at most 2. The value of R is at most, the meaning of at most 2 is maximum 2, not more than 2. Then maximum 2, that means minimum is 0, 1. The value of R is equal to 0, 1 and 2. There are 3 values of R. Then by using the binomial distribution, the formula is NCR into P raised to R into Q raised to N minus R. Then to find the probability that at the most 2 bolts are defective is equal to probability of R is equal to 0 plus probability of R is equal to 1 plus probability of R is equal to 2. Then first we find the probability for R is equal to 0. Consider the value of R is equal to 0. Then we get, just substitute this value in this formula. We get 4C0 into 0.2 raised to 0 into 0.8 raised to 4 minus 0. It is for R is equal to 0. Next one, for R is equal to 1. Then we get 4C1 into 0.2 raised to 1 into 0.8 raised to 4 minus 1. It is for R is equal to 1. And next one, for R is equal to 2. We get 4C2 into 0.2 raised to 2 into 0.8 raised to 4 minus 2. Then simplifying the terms, 4C0 is equal to 1 into 0.2 raised to 0, which is equal to 1 into 0.8 raised to 4 plus 4C1, which is equal to 4 into 0.2 into 0.8 raised to 3 plus 4C2, which is equal to 6 into 0.2 raised to 2 into 0.8 raised to 2. And just simplifying this term, then we get the probability for R is equal to 0 is 0.4096 plus for R is equal to 1, the probability is 0.4096 plus for probability of R is equal to 2 is 0.1536. Just taking the addition of these three terms, then we get 0.9728. That is the probability that at the most 2 bolts are defective is 0.9728. That is the last answer. Thank you.